we were at local SEO. I have told you about local content in the keywords and on-page SEO. We talked about citations and H cards. And when I talked about backlinks we really not discussed in details, but I give you a hint that backlinks from local directories and classified websites. What are classified and local directories are, as we have discussed, like I give you an example of justdial.com. Okay, justdial is a local directory. Okay, where you can go and do your free listing, submit, and you will get a specific URL for your website and where you can place uh, your company. Like, for example, if I go in any category, okay, it's searching in Mumbai, so it gives you a specific space. Okay, let's say it is taking into, okay, no. Okay, you need something in auto repair. Let's say you need tires, you need all the options related to Apollo. So all the dealers will come in that area, and like you are a reliable tire, so you will get a page over here, and also your website can be listed over here. Okay. In this case, this person has not listed his website, but you can always list your website as well. And that is how you get a backlink. And there are hundreds and hundreds of websites, like the operator which I told you, Google operators, you can use to find it. Otherwise, just simply find, just type local directories, submission website, and here this institute, SEO Institute, Training Institute is giving you those complete lists. Okay, so here is the list of these submission websites. Okay, and apart from that, there are other websites as well, like this. Okay, and next was classified. Classified are very similar, but a little difference in that is it's like more of a OLX sort of. Okay, like if I open one of the websites, I will show it to you. Not working. Okay, classified are like this. The what is the difference between directory and classified is classified links generally stay for a specific time period. It may be 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, but they will expire. Directories links will never expire. So once you register your business on Just Dial, it will never go. But on classified, it will be deleted. Like if you see on OLX also, okay, you post something, you post anything. Okay, so it will give you a time that you want to keep this active for 1 day, 2 day, 5 day. Okay, and after that it will expire. Like if you look at this, I don't know when it has been created. It is posted today. Okay, but if you go back and try to go down in any specific category, okay, you will not find a lot of old ads. They may be 30 days, 60 days max. Okay, but beyond that, you will not find the ad. Okay, like I typed a mobile. Okay, if I go in any specific category, let's say in furniture. Okay, you will see all the ad posted by them is today, 3 days ago. You will not find it like 5 months, 10 months, 20 months back. Okay, if I keep going down and down, you will find that it is not beyond 2 months or 3 months. Like it is just 8 days. And if I go more down, then you will find there is nothing beyond that. What is how it happens? Because they set you always set up an expiry whenever you start putting your product. Okay, it will set up an expiry date to it. That is the difference between a classified and a directory. Directory never expires, whereas a classified always get expired. Okay. Submission method is very similar to what you have done in directory. Local directories just dial, and international directories could be others. Okay. Similarly, for classified websites, don't have international classified. Classifieds are classifieds only, where classified the links get expired. The fifth thing is in local SEO, and the last point while doing local SEO is you have to register your business on Google Business. Either you can open it www.google.in/business, or you can go on Google search and type Google My Business. Okay, you can open it. Okay. Anyone would like to share his or her screen so that I can set up a new account for you guys and show it how it is working?